Big Dippers have a safety switch beneath the electrical assembly to ensure the unit will not run unless it is sitting on the tank. If this switch becomes damaged during maintenance, it is necessary to change out this switch to return the unit to normal operation. Before replacing the safety switch, part number MSS-7, you will need to unplug and remove the center module from the Big Dipper and have a Phillips head screwdriver and a pair of needle nose pliers on hand. Working in a clean and adequately large workspace, remove 6 screws from the back housing, 1 on each side and 4 in the rear of the housing. Keep these screws to secure the housing when finished. The front screws do not need to be removed when replacing the safety switch. Remove the rear top cover and set aside. Locate the safety switch in the rear part of the center module. Use the needle nose pliers and remove the connectors. Next, remove 2 screws from the safety switch. There are fasteners on each screw. Keep screws and fasteners as they will be used for attaching the new safety switch. Remove the faulty safety switch and position the new safety switch in the same location. Using the existing screws and fasteners, securely bolt the new safety switch. There will be a few millimeters of screw protruding from the fasteners if attached correctly. Connect the electrical connectors to the new safety switch. Place the back housing over the electrical assembly and replace the 6 screws that were removed, 1 on each side and 4 in the rear of the housing. Take care to only hand tighten, as over-tightening can cause a crack in the housing.